So the first thing you should be doing when you open your Binance account, whether it's Binance US or Binance.com, is to go in security and do your settings. Now, the most important ones you need to take care of is the Google authentication. The Google authentication, you just need to go on your mobile phone in your app section and download the Google authentication tool. And then you just follow the instructions that are here. It's very simple to do. And then you want to do the same thing for your SMS authentication. So basically you're going to have a code that goes to your Binance, to your phone. So this will add an extra layer of security. As for the email address, especially if you're going to be using money wires or electronic wires or bank transfers, call it what you want, I would suggest you use the same email that you use with your bank. And last but not least is the anti-phishing code. So this will add an extra layer of protection within your email messages. So every time that Binance will send you an email message, you will see your anti-phishing code on it. So this will allow you to identify that this is truly a Binance email and not some phishing fake email you're getting. So that adds another layer of security. So once you've added your Google authentication, your SMS authentication, and your anti-phishing code, and made sure that your email address matches your bank email, then you're ready to start buying crypto. Please move on to the next part of the training.